Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, October 3rd of 2024. And this is Giovanni Benacourt, and this is a recording previous to the USA Open. All right, so in front of us we have the NASDAQ on a daily candlestick chart, and I've placed two resistances and two support levels for this. The NASDAQ is really looking to stay around the 20,000 marker. It did fluctuate lower yesterday. It dipped towards our first level of resistance of support. From here, it rebounded and closed into green. And right now, we are basically inside yesterday's trading range. So another attempt at this particular support could be contemplated or speculated. That's what we do. So let's just go down to a half an hour chart and see how will that play out, or how is the market playing out so far in the session. So if you take a look, obviously we had on the earlier today in the London session, we did fluctuate to the downside. We did bounce off the lower Bollinger Band and above the medium point, and that's where we are rebounding off from right now so far. So here is our levels. This is a pivot point. This white line is a pivot point, or is a typical price, which is obtained by adding the high, the lows, and the close, adding and dividing by 3. From where? From who? I got this value from last week's. I did a weekly chart, and I grabbed that week, and I did those values for the week. You could do it on a daily basis. You could do it also in different time frames. I just do it for educational purposes that way. So you find how it best suits you, that works best for you. So in today's market fluctuation, we're speculating that the market it might continue to do this sideways trading. There's the turmoil in the Middle East with Israel and Iran and whatnot. That could explode any time, or it could just die out. We don't know. We obviously we're playing by ear. So far, as for the markets are concerned, I'm looking at the markets to stay within range of that 20,000. Okay, so let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 as well. So this is a pivot point for the S&P 500, 5,800. Obviously, that was reached before, but so now basically we are again same wise as the NASDAQ. Basically, we are just trading inside the bound, the period of the top Bollinger Band and the medium point, which is a 20-day moving average, and we have the 50-day moving average also acting as a resistance. So sideways trading, choppiness, it can be expected volatility. The Dow has a bit more of fluctuation, more volume indeed, this half an hour periods. So let's see if we are able to sustain and just stay within the range that we've seen. The RSI is pointing towards a bullish momentum being picked up. A bearish momentum being picked up to the downside. Then we have the Russell. Russell has a more of a bullish momentum, which the RSI is about to pick up above the 50 if it does, or will it just continue to trend lower and just turn into the red and then just look for 2180 perhaps. But so far, we just sideways trading. Crude oil is the one that is making more and more movement to the high, upward momentum to the upside. $72 is a nice round number that we could probably come and contemplate reaching today. We do have obviously the equal higher highs and higher lows. In this half an hour, we are in an uptrend, so keep that in mind. Then we have Nat Gas also just breaking out of the Bollinger Band, the spirit Bollinger Band, which is obviously this is just showing us great volatility being picked up in Nat Gas. RSI above 50, so momentum, bullish momentum to the upside is in our favor. Then let's take a look at gold. Gold at the moment it was doing just equal highs, equal lows, which is just a consolidation, accumulation period. And then it kind of tried to move out of it and just pop to the upside. It was met by the 50-day moving average. The 20-day moving average didn't support it. It didn't find that hard to fluctuate above that. And then last half an hour, it has fluctuated above the 50 and the 200-day moving average, but now is looking to push lower. So let's see if at least 2644 around that area, if it does continue to move lower, it'll find some other support. Obviously, the RSI is below 50, so it is showing bearish momentum being built up to the downside. Then we have silver on half an hour. So silver, the 50-day moving average has acted precisely as a dynamic resistance level. So 3140, which is the lower Bollinger Band, can be contemplated as a possible level of support for silver in this half an hour chart. Then we have copper. Copper just plummeted. All right, so 450 is the next, that support for copper. Let's see if it'll be able to sustain it and just rebound from here and do a reversal trade, or will continue to just move lower. Bitcoin also just looking to stay north of 60,000. It came close to it, but it came close to it. It did rebound from here. So let's see if again it'll do the same thing. In this half an hour, they created a small double top here, a double bottom here. Sorry, double bottom, which is obviously indication or bullish momentum being picked up, and it did so. It was met with resistance at the 20-day moving average. From here, it has been retracing towards that lower Bollinger Band, and that's where we'll probably find some support and do a reversal trade from there. For those who are very aggressive. Then we have the currencies. The euro, again, looking to stay north of 110, is doing fine. That 111 marker is further away. The 50-day moving average is just basically on top, right now. It is below the upper Bollinger Band, and the market is just fluctuating between it. So low. I will say here that even though we do have big volume bars here, it's just been really sideways movement really on the euro. Then we have the pound, that in this chart it has fluctuated below that level of support that we have created. We're done, so we're gonna lower that to the lower Bollinger Band. But you see, this right here is just waiting. This is just people a lot of traders just holding on to the levels of 130. Let's see if it'll be able to sustain that, and that could probably because of the dollar index is also just bouncing off this level of resistance that we have placed. But we're gonna need to raise it to 101,800, and so here we go. Right now it's just bouncing off the upper Bollinger Band. So let's see if the dollar index will continue to appreciate and fluctuate towards the 101.80. And if that happens, we'll see more momentum to the downside on metals and the currencies. That's it for me today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.